friend, in this tutorial I will teach you project 1 in a SolidWorks. So how to create this part in a SolidWorks. So let's see. Open the SolidWorks. First you will take a short screen in this design. Okay, take it, then click here, open SolidWorks, and then you will click on the part, then click on OK. Take a time. And change the background here. Take a front plane, sketch, and see this diagram. First you need read the diagram in carefully. This length is 5 mm and this length is 8 mm, and then whole center in a baseline is 2.5 and this 3.5. Length and width over the center will be find out, and this hole will be 3.0. It means say that the 2 into 3.0 into 2 holes. This 2 will be indicating the 2 holes. Okay, and this distance will be the 4 and this distance will be 2. It means say that here the chamfer is applied. Okay, and then inner part distance is the 2 plate, inner part distance is a 3. You need to maintain the 3 mm in a inner part, and the plate thickness is a 1 mm. Total 3 plus 1 plus 1. Okay, 3, 4 and then 5. So total distance is 5. So how to create this SolidWorks? Okay, so first draw a rectangle. Okay, with the help of rectangle you will easily create. Okay, you click here, then define the overall distance is 8 with the smart dimensioning. Put the value 8. Okay, and then plate thickness is 1 mm. So create 1 mm. There are many ways to create this part. It's not a single method. Depend upon your how to create a part. I will create a part with the help of a rectangle. Go for feature command and apply the extrude base. Extrude base in the sense of you need to apply in a 2D sketch inside the 3D. You will apply the materials and height. How much height? 5. Okay, here 5 is the height. I am creating one link 8 is the distance and 1 is the thickness and height is the 5. So applied height this. Okay, so here you will apply the 5. Put the 5, and if you want to change the direction, then you can easily click the this blind option here. Direction will be changed. Which direction will you change? Because your plane will be here. So click the OK. Okay, your part will be ready. One plate will be ready. So need to create a other plate. Okay, so how to apply the normals? Just one keyboard space bar. Okay, select and then create a sketch. Okay, and again apply rectangular, corner rectangular here. Otherwise you want to click on here, and then if you want to apply the relations, control, press control and then select the line and then apply the collinear. What do you mean by what is the collinear? Collinear, the line will be align the one line. Okay, and then distance is how much inside? 3. So apply 3. Okay, and then see this, and then go extrude. Which direction? That direction. Click here, and then how much plate thickness is? 1. So put the value 1. Okay, then this is the easiest way to create. Then easily click on the here and then again create a rectangle. Okay, and then extrude outside. Okay, 1 mm. So this model will be here ready, but you need to like two application will be rest. One is the chamfer and one is the hole. So first you will apply the hole. Okay, here and then here, and then two distance you will apply. First base dimension is a 2.5 x and then y 3.5. Okay, so here you will apply y direction is a 2.5. Okay, put this value 2.5 and then yeah, the next direction is 3.5. so apply 3.5. Okay, and then hole dia is here 3 and 2 is defined for 2 hole, 2 into 3 diameter. Okay, so click here, apply 3. And then back, this is the conformation corner. Okay, and then apply the extrude cut because you need to remove the materials, so you will apply here this way, otherwise you need to like this way, otherwise you simply put this value. Okay, any value more than 5. Okay, apply 8. Okay, this is the way, and then only rest is chamfer. Okay, so how can apply the chamfer? So you will help of a sketch. Okay, then here, then here. More method to create this object. It's not a single method. I'm explaining the single method. This distance is the 4. Okay, here so applied 4, and then this distance is the here 2 and the 4. Okay, so this dimension is the 2. Okay, and then click on OK, and then put and then cut, remove this material. Okay, okay, this is the your final part. Okay, so this way you will create this part in a SolidWorks. Okay, so actually I will explain the about the drawing, because you need to complete solution in a one tutorials. Okay, so save. If you want to like, you need to like a 4 section, you will see, yeah, the part will be shown this way. Okay, if you want to again views, here it will be shown here. Click on again single view. Single view. Okay, so save. First you need to save this part, Control S, and then how to save this part name is the, like, if your company name is a like a anything like a automobiles industry, so try to coding this part name like a H, capital H, like your company name is a Anjani Auto Tax, so apply A. Okay, and then 001, this is a project name, and then your sub assembly name is a first assembly, and then your part name is the 1121. Okay, and then go through the, if you want to create the file name here, new, and then create a file name and desktop, so rename, and then project 1, inside click, and then save. Then your part name is here, and then how to create a drawing, go to file and then make a drawing from a part. Okay, show it. Okay, this is the 4 types. Okay, this is the template side. Okay, so A0 is the length and width. A0 is a 841 and width is a 1189. Okay, so I will take a A4 size. Height is a 297 and width is a 210. Okay, and then browse for a different template. Okay, here different type of templates are already given, so select a landscape and then pen. Okay, and then this here the your view, drag and drop. Okay, in this view, then isometric view. Okay, So you need to like scale. And go to the custom, and then here 6, the 5. Okay. So take patience. 3, 6. It's fine. Then adjust, and then apply the drafting. Okay. How this? So first you need to like overall dimension here, here. Apply here to 8. It's fine. Then this dimension is 2 also. Okay. Overall length is scale. Then this thickness is 1. Here thickness is 3. The delete this view, apply here. Okay. 5. And then hole 3 throughout. And then hole to 3.5. You can easily here apply a smart dimension. Okay. 2.5. Adjust this dimension, and then here apply. And then change the name here 5. No need to apply here. on this the tree. And then how to apply the center line. So click on the center line and then here and dot the center line. Okay, and then adjust your dimension. No need to this view. Enough. Reference. You want to show this center line. Okay, this way, and then change your name here. Right click, edit. Okay, and then paste. Okay, simply copy and paste, and then edit, double click, and then change your name. Okay, text, paste. Font will be changed. Okay, click here and then change your and then save. Control S and then save the desktop location, the project name 1, and then save. And if you want to convert this PDF into save as in a PDF here, and then desktop this project and then save. Okay, this way your PDF will be find out, and then easily you print out this drawing for your purpose. Okay, thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more video.